Hi guys, this is Subhash here, Biker Baba Vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber, so I'm on a ride of South Goa. I came from Butterfly Beach and then Agonda, and I'm heading towards Kola Beach. It's a little bit further. Just now I had my lunch there. So off-roading place, maybe 3 kilometers inside. So I'll try to show you this place also guys before I go home. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. So guys, I will take this road to the beach, Kola Beach. Here, let's see what we can see at this place. It's 3:30 now. Let's go. So this is the road here. They are constructing the road. It's a very rough road. So I have to stand on the bike to ride to this way. Let's see what comes next. Okay guys, so it's a Kola Beach parking area here. So I have done this video couple of months back. Let's see the updates, what's going on the beach. People are here. So this is the beach here guys. No one is on the beach. I'll go other side and check as well. So this is it. It's the crowd of this place here. I'll go from that side if I can climb down there. So I have done this video before a couple of months back. So guys, this is it. I have to cross the water there, but I have the shoes. It will get wet. So now I'll tell you about this boating. They charge 100 for person, 200 for two-person. They say according to them, this local business they do here. So this is it. I'll show you from little bit further also. Tourists are left here from here. So last time when I came here, it was nice and good, but now it's already the all sand is gone in the sea. I think it's very deep lake area. Other side, when it's a high tide, it's water is crossing that side, and it's a little low tide, so water is coming this side. So that's a huge resort there on the mountain. People are gathering in this area. So this area is empty. There was steps to climb down here at this place, but it's not there. So this side is empty. So I'll go little bit further and try to show you from that place as well. Let's see what we can see in that area. There's one more beach. They call something else. They have to come from other road, from the road there. I'll show you that also. So this is the place, guys. It's all mountain area. I have done this video couple of months, as I told you earlier also. There are few people there, and there are few resorts also in that place, like rooms or something like that. I have showed that in my previous video of this Kola. This is mountain, and these are the resorts here. So this is the place, guys. No guest. Now they are leaving here from here. Some they stay, but people believe that in Christmas time more guests will come at this place and visit this place. So okay, I'll leave from this place now. Okay, guys, let's go. So guys, I'm done on this Kola beach here. I'm leaving now. So if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, guys, for upcoming videos. Okay then, thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video, guys.